Okay, so I want to go through this where we got to this stage over here. And this is the part where I found to be difficult. And what are you doing? You're equating the coefficients for the imaginary and the real part. So on the right side, I got a squared minus b squared, which is a real part, and the real part should equal a, all right? And again, a and b are real numbers. That's why I wrote this over here. The imaginary part, 2ab, should be equal to this 1 plus b part, and that's written over here, all right? Now, it's a nasty problem to solve, and what I want to do is I want to go to Wolfram Alpha to do it, and I'll tell you what I typed in. So in Wolfram Alpha, what I typed in is solve, and I actually type it in 1 plus b equals 2ab, and a equals a squared minus b squared. And I want to solve for an ordered pair ab. Now granted, Wolfram Alpha interprets what I wrote down, which is good. I'm glad they do that because it's exactly what I wanted to do. And looking at this over here, I'm looking at it, and I want to say that I'm looking for a and b that are real numbers. Now this first case is bad because I got an I over here. So I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to skip this one because there's an I there. All right. Now this one looks good. All right. It tells me what A is. And then it tells me what B is. So I got two solutions over here. And what I like about their work over here, they give me a plot of those two real solutions over there. And they're the ones over here. Now this is the part where I'm going to claim it's difficult. I mean, you got to copy this stuff and you got to paste it into another application. And I did that over here, by the way, all right? So I retyped it, all right? So I took these numbers over here and I made it a little bit neater, all right? But these numbers here, that's what I got. I got, my first X, I got my second X, and I feel pretty good about that, all right? Now, granted, these were difficult numbers to do. However, I will say that I took a different approach to the problem, and I got another answer to it. Now, by the way, this is a nested root, and I'd still have to clear that up, by the way. Now, if you want, you can go to Wolfram Alpha and clear that up by unnesting the root. I don't know how it's going to handle that, by the way, but it's a lot of work. But the bottom line is you'll get these answers over here if you use a computer algebra system, and I would recommend that. Thank you.